What causes my AC to lose efficiency over time? An air conditioner usually loses efficiency because dirt, blocked airflow, refrigerant leaks, worn parts, and aging electrical components make it work harder to move heat. The air filter catches dust, but when it becomes clogged, less air can pass through the system, so cooling slows down and energy use rises. Dust can also coat the indoor evaporator coil, which is the part that absorbs heat from your home's air. A dirty outdoor condenser coil cannot release that heat well, especially when grass clippings, leaves, or cottonwood fluff cover it. Refrigerant does not get used up during normal operation, so low refrigerant usually means there is a leak that needs to be found and repaired. A damaged blower wheel may collect dust or become unbalanced, reducing the amount of air pushed through the rooms. Leaky or poorly insulated ducts can lose cooled air inside an attic, crawl space, or wall before it reaches the living area. One detail many people miss is that a frozen indoor coil can be caused by restricted airflow, not only by low refrigerant, and running the system while it is frozen can cause more damage. Replace the filter regularly, keep the outdoor unit clear, and arrange professional cleaning and testing when cooling becomes weaker or electric bills rise. A common mistake is changing the filter but ignoring the coil and blower, so have the entire indoor section inspected when airflow remains weak. Another mistake is adding refrigerant without checking for a leak, so require the leak to be located and repaired instead of paying for a temporary refill. People also sometimes place furniture or curtains over supply and return vents, so keep vents open and make sure the large return grill is not blocked. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.